So after learning about the Paleolithic age, we will go further for the second age, that is Mesolithic age. So this period is between Paleolithic and Neolithic age. So this is known as Mesolithic age. So during this period, human beings started using small tools that were more efficient than the bigger ones. So hence, this period is also called as Microlithic age. Okay, so these small tools were fixed to a wooden handle and used as spears while hunting. They also gathered wild nuts because the food was not available continuously. So many a times they had to endure their hunger. However, they found out a way. They started rearing animals that were wounded during hunting. So these animals were the secured source for food for them. This slowly led to animal husbandry. So after that, the Mesolithic human beings roamed around in search of food for themselves and also for their animals. So wherever they stayed, they used to draw pictures on the rocks that were used as their shelters. Okay, so here animal hide was used as their dress. They knew fire and its utensils. Okay, so there are some of the places where this Mesolithic age was found. For example, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. So these are the few important places of this age. So Mesolithic age period was between 12,000 and 9,000 years ago from now.